bottling a star. Today, we dissect ITER, a 20...
We are entering the Tokamak, 150 million degrees Celsius.
Superconductivity. If these magnets lose their cool.
Fusion. When two light atoms become one, they release a burst of energy that would power a city for years.
Wall, the front line. It must withstand the bombardment of high-energy neutrons without disintegrating.
Divertor, the ash bin of the star. It drains the helium byproduct and excess heat, ensuring the plasma stays pure.
Plasma is alive, and it wants to escape. A split-second fluctuation in the magnetic field can collapse the fusion reaction.
Feeding the star. We inject frozen hydrogen pellets to maintain the plasma density. Breeding fuel. The reactor generates its own tritium by bombarding lithium blankets with neutrons.
Neutral beam injection. We fire massive, invisible particle guns into the plasma to kickstart the fusion process.
Engineering complexity at the scale of a mountain, with the precision of a wristwatch.
Closed-loop sustainability. This is how we prove that fusion can power the planet forever.
Safe. Clean. Fusion creates no long-lived radioactive waste, only the promise of infinite energy. The star is ignited. The era of unlimited energy begins.
The pulse of the universe, captured in a box.
We've taken the sun and brought it home.
Fusion is the ultimate legacy of our civilization.
Subscribe to The Infinite. Next episode, Apple Vision Pro 2, you mount the spatial computing chip.
What energy source should we harness next? Let us know.